There's a Chungus among us. Seamus Jameson is a mental defective. Seamus Jameson of Michigan is mentally defective. There's a Chungus among us. Frank Jameson is a mental defective. Legally, Frank William Jameson of Farmington Hills, Michigan is mentally defective.